Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about taking control of your money, you've probably heard of Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, it's been a game changer. But what are the best features? The ones that actually save you money and time? In this video, I'm cutting the fluff. I'm going straight into my top 3 must-use Rocket Money features based on my personal experience and why you should be using them right now. Feature 1, the Subscription Crusher, Subscription Management. First up, and probably the most famous feature, Subscription Management. This is the one that got me hooked. I know, you think you know all your subscriptions, but trust me, Rocket Money finds the ghosts. My experience, within minutes of connecting my accounts, Rocket Money pulled up a list of recurring charges. I was paying for a free trial I completely forgot about, and another app one hadn't used in 6 months. It was shocking to see the cumulative total. How to use it? Go to the Recurring tab. Review the list. For services you don't want, especially if you have the premium version, you can hit the cancel button, and they literally handle the cancellation process for you. No more spending an hour on the phone with customer service. Even if you're on the free plan, having the full list is priceless for a quick manual cleanup. This feature instantly saved me over $50 a month. Feature 2, Set and Forget, Automated Savings. Next is a feature I call Set and Forget, which is the automated savings plan. This is perfect if you struggle to consistently move money into savings or an emergency fund. My experience, I used to tell myself, I'll move money on Friday, and then I'd forget, or worse, I'd see the money and spend it. With Rocket Money Smart Savings, I set a goal, say, $1,000 for a travel fund. The app learns my spending habits and only moves money from my checking account when it sees I can afford it, usually in small, random amounts every few days. Why it's genius, it's psychological. You don't notice the small transfers, so you don't feel like you're sacrificing anything, but your savings account grows on autopilot. My savings balance has never been healthier since turning this on. It takes the effort out of saving. Feature 3, Negotiation Power, Bill Negotiation. My third top feature is one that has a cost, but can provide the biggest reward, bill negotiation. This is where Rocket Money acts as a concierge to lower your existing bills like internet, cable, or cell phone. My experience, I was skeptical about this one, but I let them try it with my internet bill. I had been paying the same amount for years. They reached out to my provider, negotiated a better promotional rate, and just like that, they saved me $15 a month. They do take a percentage of the savings, usually 30 to 60%, but since it was a savings I would never have gotten on my own, it was 100% worth the small fee. I didn't have to spend any time haggling. My tip, use this on the bills you know are too high, but you dread calling about. It's a huge time saver, and the savings usually cover any premium fee you pay for the app and then some. Conclusion and call to action. So, to recap, the 3 must-use features in my book are the subscription management to stop money leaks, the automated savings plan to build your wealth effortlessly, and the bill negotiation for big, immediate savings without the headache. If you're using Rocket Money, make sure you're taking advantage of these tools to truly optimize your finances. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.